Yeah. Yeah. Hey besties, it's Reverend Trev here. Mekai is going to show you the Kia Sportage. Now, we have 2024s in stock and we have a nice campaign. It's called Clear the Lot. So we're clearing the lot with the 2024s and we're starting with the Sportage Turbo Diesel package. You know who to come to for it, right? Reverend Trev. You can call me at 876-447-4327 or come by the showroom at 1C or 3 Oxford Road. Let's go.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and this video is about a POV drive on the 2024 Kia Sportage. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and yeah, comment down below what you think about the 2024 Kias or just the Kias in general. I personally feel like the brand is growing and I like Kia, to be honest. I like the designs that they're coming out with. Let's get into the video guys.
Put on the indicator on the next side. So that's your blind spot areas. You have AC in your seats. 360 view, and you can actually bring it up without being in reverse. 4D view.
Wow.
Auto hold is when you come to a complete stop. You can take your foot off the brakes and chill in traffic. You have downhill assist as well, that helps with braking when you're going down a steep hill. And you have heated seats, can heat your steering wheel too. Yeah, and you have touch screen here for your AC and your home button. So you turn to R. Oh, you press on the brakes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My bad. Right. Yeah. It looks like I'm going. Which side I'm going?
We'll go in a reverse of it.
Oh, okay. It's the first time I'm driving a diesel car, you know?
Really?
Yeah.
Let me get the security to this.
Yeah, man.
Go straight on grass.
Alright. AC, nice though. I can get used to this. Steering feels nice too. My boss in the shades, believe. Uncle Sam.
And they have a nice sound system, Harman Kardon. I really want
For real? Like BMW?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Harman Kardon. That's interesting. I can't feel no bumps on the road like that. Like the X6 is way rougher than this. So this is nice.
The off-road capabilities, that's all we love for the turbo diesel.
Okay, nice. And I can see that it gives 540 km for a full tank. Which is pretty good.
I drove it on a full tank from Kingston to Mobay, around 20 Mobay, come back to Kingston around till only one bar came off.
Wow.
Yeah.
Jamaican roads, but yeah.
It's awful. That was a sink, not a patrol.
Oh, I see you were dropping a one the other day.
No. That was a sleeping police.
Yeah, man.
Please.
2024 Kia Sportage X-Line. What's the liter? 2 liter?
Yeah, 2 liter.
2 liter. Turbo diesel.
So when I'm in the left lane, I'm in the left turn.
Okay. Jelly done nice though. But guys, we're in a Kia, so don't pay attention to jelly right now. I'm going forward.
Go in the right lane, go up in the right turn.
I really like this feature with the mirrors. It's really nice.
You could drive the EZ5.
Oh, the one that launched the other day. But it more Wait, what would you say comparing to this?
It's smoother and quiet.
I see that now. See that quite busy in there.
Yeah, that's that kind of scary.
Right. But wait, the car is in eco.
Yeah.
I never know.
It's a sport mode. So.
Yeah, not right now. It's the comfort, right? Okay. Well, you guys can get the 2024 Kia Sportage X-Line right now at a very reasonable cost. More details.
A lot, sale.
Right. Anything else?
No, nothing else.
Okay. But yeah, you guys can come check them out. They have a sale right now, so you can grab the 2025 if you want, but the 2024s are going at a very reasonable cost. More details will be out soon. I'll leave Trev's information in the description below, so you can check, call, bring down our phone,
yeah,
drop the bees,
yeah,
and be a mish.
Yeah.
Believe. Sunroof big though.
And you can open it panoramic.
For real?
Yeah.
Yo, can you imagine how much breeze?
Yeah, lighting, the highway. That's a vibe.
I know, I'm convinced.
Even when that right turn on the white bridge.
I can hear the turbo. Sounds nice. I see another Kia there. Family. All the way up, or?
Yeah, right turn on the hill. It's sport mode, so you can't see.
Okay, so guys, we're going to go in sport mode now. Oh, interesting. Guys, this can run here at Burnham now. You know, that would be good. I feel like somebody needs to just buy one of these and just run it at Burnham.
Right.
Yeah.
I'd love to see that.
Oh, the EV5. Just bring it out. Up. Alright. Left. Alright. Nice.
And when you go in sport mode, it automatically gets stiffer for better maneuvering.
For the suspension?
Yeah.
And even though it's on the stiffest suspension system right now, our lever right now, it doesn't feel as rough. It still feels like I'm not feeling all the potholes or nothing. Go left, right?
Yeah.
this for you. The seating is nice. Seats are comfortable.
I'm gonna turn on the AC seats for you. Can you look a bit?
Wait, so it wasn't on?
No, I'm so sorry.
The fish. All I need is a nice cup of tea, you know. Yo, I can feel the seats getting cool. Wow. And you know, guys, unfortunately, the X6 does not have that, so this is a
Valid
plus.
for your money.
Yeah.
But we still love the X6 though.
No, the X6 is
Yeah.
nice, you know, we don't
Yeah.
bash it. But sometimes I'm hot when I'm driving, even when the AC is on. And this is making me feel cool all around.
Yeah.
Can you imagine you running up and down, doing your errands, coming in well hot, press the button, you're well cool.
Yeah.
Like we're in a deep freeze. Make me feel at home.
Yeah, so that's what the Sportage gives. Coziness, comfort. Of course, taximan on.
I know, right? I never knew that I'd like a car other than a BMW. Because
Yeah,
through
every
BMW is my
time-
thing.
Yeah, every time clients come from luxury and then come over to Kia, soft luxury is soft of the same way. They love it. They
There's,
get obsessed. And it's less maintenance. Does that make sense?
that's crazy.
Less on your pocket, which is that's important.
Give me some man, oh father. Nice. Yo, the car just planted. I can imagine this on the toll.
Right? Smooth.
And of course, I realize that there's paddle shifters as well. I haven't used it as yet.
So you can gear up to 8 speeds.
Interesting. Out of all of the Kia models, you would go with the Sportage.
That's
Okay.
my favorite. When I'm buying the Sportage.
So roughly how much would this be a month, like brand new, fresh out the box?
Well, full financing, I'm gonna give you a 8.25% interest rate for 10 years.
Okay.
So it would run you around 100 monthly for the
Not
fully
bad.
loaded.
Not bad, not bad. And this is including like free
So 5
servicing.
years warranty, 2 years service package, we take the car for you, 2 years JA roadside assistance. It's a paint protection package as well.
Nice, for
So
real?
your car, yeah, like it stays
Okay.
fresh and pretty year round.
That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good. Because of course in Jamaica sometimes you park your car
Yeah,
and
the
somebody
sun,
just
the bird.
man
mess.
home them door, lick your
Yeah.
car. That's really good.
The paint protection. And we license the car for a year for you. So tax office stuff we don't deal with.
So that's like literally the easiest you can get.
Yep. So you just need a quote from us and you're good to go to start the process.
So that's nice. Easy, just like that. Easy 1, 2, 3.
Most of the process starts at the bank. So once you get the quote, it's go to the bank and we're good.
You hear that? This could be yours. It can be yours.
Left turn.
Alright. So this screen stays off most of the time?
No, it's on, man. You just need
Oh.
yeah.
Okay. Sounds of nature. What's that? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, alright. Alright. Okay. So can't things like videos play on it as well?
No.
Okay.
If you have an Android, it can. There's this app you can download to have it.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, because Kia is all about safety, they don't necessarily
Want it to-
yeah, so
yeah,
you don't
right.
really have the option.
Okay, so Kia is actually having your best interest at heart.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, so, you guys are really taking over the place. Kia is really taking over the place right now.
For sure. And because it's value for money and it's good prices and it gets a lot of features, so I mean it's a win-win.
Because you guys literally, like last year is when I really was like, no man, Kia is doing extremely good.
I'm happy to be a part of that movement.
Yeah, it's really, really nice. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done, well done.
Thank you. Do my best.
I mean, you put in the work.
Yeah. And I appreciate the brand as well because, as I said, I want one. So, and they have reps who actually have a Kia as well. So that says a lot.
It says so much. Because I know a lot of car brands that the staff doesn't really have the car that they sell.
Yeah, we believe in our brand over here.
So guys, they're not just selling you a car, no. They're selling you the experience. They're giving you guys something that actually can make your life easier.
Yeah.
And it will make your life easier.
Preach.
So if you want to carry your mother, your girl, your wife, your kids, it have space. And it's not just this alone they have. Can come down at the showroom,
Yeah,
check
we
it
have a
out.
variety. Right in Oxford Road, people.
Oxford Road, not dictionary.